Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can live stream YouTube on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the homepage you're gonna find your games and applications. As you can see guys, here in the right, you're gonna find your game library, where you're gonna find a list that includes all of your installed games and applications. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. Right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the games section, media, search, settings, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, what you need to do guys is click on media and then right here go ahead and search for YouTube. If you don't find it right here, just go ahead and click on the app library and then you must find it here. So right now go ahead and open YouTube, and then once you do that, just wait for YouTube to load and then make sure you log into your YouTube account, or you can just scan the QR code with your phone. And then once you do that, if you want to live stream, it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and make sure a game is open and then go ahead and click on the share button. Once you do that, you're gonna find this menu right here. So right here, you're gonna find the option to save the recent gameplay. Here you can take a screenshot, start a new recording, and here in the right, you're gonna find the option to broadcast, share screen, and capture options. So just go ahead and click on broadcast, and then you will be able to broadcast if you are playing a game. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.